Okay, welcome now to the final game for the day. Rank number 4 versus rank number 5. Rank number 4 po is Team Contact Center versus rank number 5, Airport United. The winner of this game will outright the challenge cast for the semifinals in the semifinals phase of Aviation Friendly League dubbed as a Flying League. Third season po tayo yun. Okay, final po with the greater coaches, respected coaches po. Okay, you're watching right now Hub versus Contact Center. Quarterfinals po yan. We're gonna go home na po yan. And also, of course, these games po, there are Team SBP, Team SBP, and also PSBQ. And of course, Team LBC, Haring Padala, and Threading Needles. We're now on the quarterfinals match now between Contact Center versus, eto na po, ang Airport United. Contact Center, Airport last week po, naglaban po sila for ranking. And they've beaten the Contact Center, emerged victorious po yan. Gumana po sila po lahat over Airport United. Lahat po gumana po yun. Okay, first quarter, start. First five. First five para sa Airport United. Yan, si Kalilong, si number 6, si Salud, si Muñoz at si Barantes. Kabila naman si number 11, number 10, number 3, si number 15 at si Roy, yung kailangang sentro. Mukhang magandang matchup to. Roy and Salud for the tip-off. Kalilong, o mga na, Muñoz para kay no? Okay. Okay, dalawang haligan, maglalaban yun. Bola! Okay. Start now the game for the opening tip-off. Roy and Salud. Take note, naya si Pareño. Okay, ito na. Game start. Nakuha ni Pareño ang bola. Pareño. And kay number 10, Bargamento, pops up. No good. Rebound di Kalilong Muñoz. And now kay Barantes, sidestep, kinaluwang ba? And kay napatag Ansus, magmadila, Pareño, no good. Rebound di Salud. Nandun, and foul called. Okay, foul nga talaga kay number 15 po. Kay Baredo. And now kay Kalilong to Barantes. Kay Jong. Sa wakas, buti namatay ng AC rito. Salud. Kalilong. Malalim. Nako ni Ansus ang bola. Nako ni Salud ang bola. Salud driving strong. Salud. Palpal. Kalilong for the inbound. Kalilong. Jong. Traveling violation. Wala pa ring score ang team. Pareho. Okay. Ano po tayo? Ari Silas watching. Ito po. They're watching right now the possible contenders po nila ng CAS sa semifinals. Number 4 and number 5. Baquiano, Baredo, stripped away. And Roy, palpal naman ni Rosalud. Barantes. Offensive foul kay Barantes. That count. Ansus. Baquiano again. Pareño driving. Baredo running shot, no good. Rebound battle won by Roy. Pareño. Wala pa rin score. Pareño to Roy. No good. Rebound by Pareño, malakas. Kalilong naka-rebound. Salud. High post. Salud. Wala! Salud. Another one. 2 points, Salud. What a putback by Salud. 0-2 lang score at after 6 minutes. After 4 minutes po sa was, may score na. Pareño, wala. Jong, binato na kay Barreto. Barente, oy! Traveling violation. Kumambyo. Okay, balik muli po tayo yun kay Barantes. Kay Baredo. Barantes. Baquiano. Baredo. Baquiano. Wala. Rebound by Roy. Stepping on the line. Patay na to. Alas na. Jong. Kalilong. Salud. Traveling violation on Salud. Salud. Barantes, sige si Baredo. Roy. Nice D by Kalilong. Barantes, 2 points na naman. Baquiano, 2 points Baquiano. And change pipe po tayo. Babagay, Eric, Scott, Ilaw at si Costner. Kabila naman si Baby Tank, si Egok, Tunakaw, Rekilman, Oronce at si Pilaw. Scott for the inbound. Okay, babagay muna, babagay, binagay na kay Scott ang bola. Scott, driving, kay Eric, kay Grama, babagay, Foster, Scott, 2 points and 1 play.
What's shoutout kaya
Si ano?
Third Canton sa Crescent Park Boys.
Ano pa?
Third Canton, Richard Bautista. Lahat? Ingat kayo.
Sige, okay. Thank you, sir. Si Masterman, di mo babatiin? Si Macho. Okay, balik ulit tayo. 2-7 po. Score po natin. Egok, nagpapasahan. Rekilman, tumirang 3. Bang! Yan nagpahirap sa kanila sa Airport United na running go. Will it be consistent enough to bring them to the semis? Babagay naman. Eric. Costner. Costner, naiwan mag-isa. Oy! Stepping on the line. Rekelman, tumira ng 3. Egok. Egok, driving Xiong. Nope. Oronce. Rebound. Oronce again. Wala pa rin. Babagay naka-rebound. Babagay. Costner. Ilaw. Babagay. For 2. Malakas. Escat. Costner. 3-second violation. Tunakaw. Pilaw. Ayos babagay. Now, Tunakaw again. Oronce, banging bodies. Ilaw, naka-rebound. Escat. Hop! Foul. Egok. Blocking foul. Egok. Sabi kay Bautista, shout out. Kanina to. Sumasok si Bautista. Shout out kay Ralph Castor, Cutie Palman, Ralph Castor, and Jepox Carmona is watching. Hoy, Jepox, nasan ka? Ilaw. Babagay, driving Xiong, pops up. Nope. Rebound by Tunakaw. Tinawid ang bola. Tunakaw. Pilaw. Foul. Late call po yun ng referee. Take 3. Babagay. Pilaw shooting for 3 rather. 3 shots. Pilaw. The winner of this game will challenge Cass for the semis. For the championship. Second shot ni Pilaw. 5-7. Babagay. It's out. Isa pa. Jumpers ready. Pilaw, last shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala! Ilaw for the inbound. Now to Babagay. Babagay may tanga ng bola. And to Mr. Eric. Bang! 3 points Eric. Pasok. And now kay Egok. Egok! Take 2 si Egok. Foul number 1. 0-1. Foul 0-1 or si Coster called for the foul. Egok shooting for 2. Egok, first shot. Tapos. Egok, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Wala. Coster. Escat, nagmamadali. Escat, shake and pick. Escat. Malakas. Pilaw. Hop. Traveling violation kay Pilaw. 5-10 ang score po natin yan at 1 minutes 47 remaining. Babagay galing kay Coster. Babagay, driving strong, pops up. Ilaw sa ilalim. And one play made kay Ilaw. Lumiliwanag ang buhay ngayon kay Ilaw. Hindi pa pinapatay. Patayin dapat po. Ilaw. Bonus free throw coming up. 1 minute 27 remaining. It's in. 5-13 ang score. Lamang ng 8. Egok. Si Baby Tank tumitira ngayon. Kay Tunakaw. Bagay si Ilaw. Ilaw. Hop, naipit. Tunakaw, kapos. Blue ball. Airport United again. Babagay. Shot Puno is watching. SG for 3. Bang! SG, 3 points na naman. Si Eric Grama yan. Egok. Naipit. Foul. Blue 01 called for the foul. Pinapaki-ace rito. Okay, Egok first shot. No good. Second throw, jumper straight. 39 seconds remaining. First quarter action. 5-16 na score po natin. Egok, second throw. Wala. Babagay naka-rebound. Babagay nagmamadali. Babagay. Palpal. Nice Dini Oronce, pero kay Babagay pa rin ang shooting for 2. Babagay shooting for 2. Babagay, first shot. It's out. Babagay, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Babagay, second free throw, jumpers ready. It's out, pareho. Regelman and Pilaw driving strong. Egok nakuha ni Oronce, Pilaw, and foul. Costner called for a foul. Pilaw shooting for 2. First shot. It's out. Mukhang offline si Pilaw ngayon Off net Second shot, jumpers ready para kay Pilaw. Pilaw, second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Early entry. Last shot now will be made now by Airport United. Shoutout kay Babagay, the muscular man naman. Kickball. Nice swipe by Egok. 6 seconds remaining. Laman po ng 11 ang Airport United. Tunakaw. Egok. Pilaw, swiped away. And wala na. Dave Pirito is watching. The winner of this game will challenge Cass in the semis. Or will face Cass in the semis. As of now, kompleto na po ang ating semifinal slot po natin. Ito na lang po ang pinaglalabanan sa last semifinal seat. Atela, liga rito. Pre, you may comment. I'm tired already. Okay, sabi rito naman. Kay Richard Bautista, shout out po kay Tina Muran from Bahrain. 5 minutes. 5:16 again, second quarter action start. Okay, Melvin, Jong number 6, and Salud at si Barantes. Blue ball daw. Inbound blue ball. Kabila naman Belarus, Roy Pareño, number 20. Jong. Salud against Roy. Melvin for 2. Mali. Melvin. Blue ball. Shoutout po kay Namaga Pukiko from Japan. Sabi ni Ralph Castor. Namaga Pukiko. Melvin. Wala. Rebound, Salud. Fadeaway shot. Wala pa rin. And red ball. Sa kabila naman daw, sabi ni Ralph Caso, shoutout po kay, yun nga, nasabi na pala. Shoutout po kay Mahabaho Fukiko from Japan family. Pambira ka pag ako na ano ng Facebook ha. And bumanlang. Villarus, lost the ball. Salud. Barantes, umatake na naman si Barantes. Kinaliwa, kinanan, pasok. Sabi ni Serrano, ha. Pareño, binabantay ni Melvin. Pareño versus Melvin, naku ng pick. Pareño, naipit. Pareño, no good. Rebound by Roy, palpal. Pero nando si Roy. Melvin from Melvin muna, labas muna kay Barantes. Kalilong, Jong, Kalilong again, Kalilong, saan ka titiram? Barantes for 3, malakas. Baredo, number 15, Baredo, Pareño, no good. One more time kay Pareño, palpal, pero may foul. Nasabit ang bata. Dito naman rito, shoutout po kay Ray po Nyoko from Dubai. Shoutout po kay Ray P. Nyoko sa Dubai. Okay. No good. Pareño, no good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Pareño, second free throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's out. Rebound by Kalilong. Jong. Salud. 2-point Salud. Seven minutes 46 remaining. And Pareño against Salud. Pareño. Pinapatay ni Jong. Baredo for 3. Bang! Yan ang kinakailangan ngayon ng contact center. Kailangan uminit muli ang kanilang mga 3-point po sa arc nila. Jong naman, si Jong. Nagmamadali si Jong. For 3. Out. Roy. Baredo. Pareño. Iniwan na lang. Melvin. Binabatayan. Pareño. Again, one more time. Villarus. No good. Rebound by Salud. Baredo. Barantes, palpal. Pero may foul, sabit. Foul, 0-0. Sino 0-0 rin? Barantes, first shot. No good. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo ngayon. Barantes. Pops up. Wala. Barantes sa rebound. Barantes. Malakas. Difficult shot to Kalilong again. Kalilong for 3. Bang! Villarus, 0-0. Pareño, binabatay ni Kalilong. Pareño, nakalusot. And kay Roy, pops up. No good. Rebound sa Salud. Pinabababa na. And Barantes, pops up. Lefty shot. No good. Rebound ni Roy. Villarus, nope. Number 20. That's bumanlang. Roy. Baredo for 3. Bang! 3 points ni Baredo. Pasok. And now kay Mr. Jong. Kalilong naman, bumanat. Wala. Rebound. Hindi Pareño. 13-23. Number 11. Siped away. Salud. Dukot. Ilalim. Pasok. Nice pass. Nice assist. Pambaredo. Number 19. Barantes. Pow! Ow! First team foul pa lang yan. Okay, change 5 na po tayo. This time naman, ito naman, same team pa rin po tayo. Ilaw, Coster, Babagay, Eric, and Scott. Sa kabila naman, si Ansus, Tunakaw, Oronce, Drekelman, Bakiano, Ilaw. Scott, for 3. Nope. Ilaw, naka-rebound. Again, one more time kay Scott. Kita. Kita ang pasang yun. Bakiano, no good. Rebound ni Coster. Coster, naipit. Okay, SG, walang pinasahan. Shoutout po kay Kinambot Fukik. Hoy! Shoutout po taga Fuji, Japan. Salamat po. Sabi ni Ian. No good. Rebound. Bakiano. No good. Oronce, 2 points. Easy 2. Okay na, Mr. Babagay. 13-25. Babagay driving strong. Same ball.
Shoot, ha?
27. Scott inbounding. SG. Posisyon. Babagay. Nope, it's Ilaw. 10 shoot. Scott. Naku, mali. Again. Scott for 3. Ayaw niya. Ayun kay Coster. 2 points, Coster. Double 0-0-1. 2 points. And now, Rekilman na naman. Wala. Rebound by Babagay. Nagmamasaan si Babagay. Babagay to SG. For 3. Bang! Sabi ni Ralph Castor, ayawan na. 30 Sir Canton score, sir. Ang score po natin ay 15-30. Laman po ang Airport United. The winner of this game will face CAS in the semis. I repeat, the winner of this game will face CAS in the semis. Pilaw, mali. No good. And now kay Coster to Scott. Scott, binababa ang bola. Scott. Walang same ball. Dinawakan. Ilaw. Shake and fake. Babagay. Eric again for 3. Shoutout po kay Pops Up Fernandez na for 2 ball. Okay, good. Pambira mga pangalan to. Kakaiba. May puki ko na. Meron pang Pilaw! Dumalaw and nandun naman si Tunakaw. Galit na. Okay, now, again, Babagay. Binababa mo ulit. 17-32 ang score po natin ngayon. Babagay for 3. No good. SG naman, binato. Wala pa rin. Rebound, Baruan by Igigrekilman. Tupilaw. Bakiano. Oy! Foul on Pilay. Pilaw, rather. Sorry, 24 call for the foul. 17-22 ang score po natin ngayon at 1 minute 44 remaining. Babagay. Sabi rito ni 5, good luck both teams. And Babagay. Escat. And one play. Ginamita lang mga magic. 17-35 ang score po natin ngayon. Escat shooting for the bonus free throw at 1 minute 27 remaining of the second quarter action. Escat pops up. It's in. No. It's out. Bakiano. Rekilman for 3. No. Oy. Babagay, 2 points. Tunakaw against Scott, and now to Bakiano. To Rekilman again for 3. No good. One more time. Rekilman. No good. And now to Scott. Driving strong. Scott. SG. 2 points SG. 33 seconds remaining. 30 seconds remaining. Rekilman, no good. Scott, again, rebound. Scott, na iyo mag-isa. Wala. Scott shooting for 2. 17-39 score. 17-39 score po natin para kay Scott shooting for 2. First shot na Scott. Meron. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. .4 seconds remaining. Both baskets made. Scott. Tunakaw. To Pilaw. Tunakaw. Muntik na manakawan. And now kay Bakiano. No good. Rebound by Coster. Eric, wala na! 17-41 ang score po natin ngayon. Lamang po ang Team Airport United, the Blue Boys. Papatayin ka naman. Makalaskas, pati hindi pakigasatay. Pinapatay na. Wala na. Okay, halftime muna po tayo ngayon at 17-41. Lamang na lamang po ang Team Airport United. Sabi rito ni Ralph Castor, shoutout po kay Air Borantes. Shoutout to si sabi ni Castor. This game is simulcast po. Live po ito po sa aking FB channel, Martin Herberisto. And also the link will be posted dito po sa aking RBG Vlogs. Si edit ko po ito, lalagyan ko na po ng thumbnail. Maraming salamat po and back to the ball game. Third quarter action. Shoutout to kay Erbarantes. Sabi ni Ralph Castor. Red ball. Red ball. Okay, Pareño for the inbound. Pilao to receive the ball. Okay, Pilao nakatanggap na po ng bola. Roy, jump shot. Pasok. Nice shot by Roy, ha. Isa Joroge, shoutout po, boss. Maraming salamat, sir. Shoutout din sa'yo, sir. And sa semi, sir, ha. Punta ka rito para maglaro ka naman. Okay, same ball po tayo ngayon. Same ball.
Ready?
Okay. Jong, Parantes, Munoz, Kalilong, binato na lang, shooting for 2. Kalilong, 17, shooting for 2. Kalilong, number 17, shooting for 2. It's in. Second shot, jumpers ready para kay Kalilong. Second shot, jumpers ready. Pops up. Both in. 2 for 2. Paredo. Yung kind of stakeholder, nandiyan din pala ng contact center. Yung pinaka-team manager talaga. Pareño. No good. Rebound by Pareño. And same ball. Touch last by Airport United. Touch last. Okay, call overruled po. Airport United po lang ang bola po. And now Barantes, nagmadali. Barantes, kaliwa, kanan, kaliwa. Nakuha ni Roy yung bola. And now kay Mr. Pareño. Pareño driving strong. No good. Kalilong, Pareño to Roy. Pops up. Nope, it's Barantes. Barantes power move. Pareño. Wala. Rebound ni Ansus. Pilao, no good. And ano yun? Okay, there's a call by the referee. We'll see what's the call. Adrian Soy's watching. Okay, medyo nagkakaroon po ng konting discussion lang. Okay. Okay, here's the call. Here's the verdict. Okay, technical foul. Number 6, called for the technical, Airport United. Pilao, shooting for the technical free throw. Ano score, sir? Sir, 1943, lamang pong Airport United, sir. Pilao. It's in. Bola pa ng contact center. Anong tawag, rep? Okay, game. Pareño for the inbound. Pilao, driving strong. Floater shot. Yun, pumasok na. Okay, Pilao. Muna nabubuhay na si Pilao. Ginagigising si Pilao ngayon. 22-43. Lamang po ng 21 po ang Airport United. Jong. Kalilong again for 3. No good. Hop! Red ball. Red ball po tayo yun. Mr. Pareño. Pilao, mukhang umiinit si Pilao. Paredo, no good. Rebound, battle one by Roy. Wala. Barantes sa unang pino. Salud. Barantes. Barantes, 2 points. Timeout. Timeout called by Team Contact Center. Ano tawag yung rep? Yung pep na pansin.
Technical.
Ano yun? Ano
Technical. Ah?
Pag yung sapatos, pinsitas?
Ha? Hindi, yung yung dyan, pagtira niya, ginanon yung
Yung chan.
Oh.
Ganun. Okay.
Pero wala, hindi naman pero may contact eh.
Okay. Sige. Okay, technical pala dahil hinawakan pala yung tumira. Para nag-reach in fall siya, bawal po yun. Kaya nagkaroon pa technical foul si number 6 kanina po ng Airport United. Again, back to the ball game. 7 minutes 10 remaining third quarter action. 22-45 ang score po natin ngayon. Lamang pa rin po ang Airport United. Blue defense, red offense. Blue defense, red offense. Baredo. Nope, it's Pareño. Pareño driving strong, pops up. No good. Rebound by Pareño again. Palpal. Good ball. Paredes Capos. One more time. Salud. Kalilong to Salud. Salud. Okay, drawing the defense. Of course, no good. Pareño, 22-45. Malakas sa pasa. 6 minutes 19 remaining. Third quarter action. Jong, number 6. Babagay, number 8. And to Jong again. Jong. Salud. And to Kalilong. Kalilong. Babagay. Difficult shot. 2 points. Bantay. Edna, Mr. Pareño. To Mr. Baredo. Baredo, double teamed. And to Pareño. Roy. And nice one by Pilao. Nice cut by Pilao. Munting-unting nabubuhay na po si Pilao ngayon sa third quarter action. Umiinit na po ang batang Pilao. We'll see kung masasustain niya kanyang init. To cut for the team to into the semis. And Salud. Babagay, fade away shot. And one. Roy, Pilao. Pilao driving strong. Baredo, Kumatsi Pareño. Pareño, Pareño. Malakas. Pero may foul. Take 2. Pareño shooting for 2. 11, Pareño, 2. Shooting for 2. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw jumper. 4 minutes remaining. 26-14 ang score po natin. It's out. Rebound battle 1 by Jong. Foul on Pareño. Substitution now is cut in. Barantes out. Jong out. Melvin in. Quality minutes for both players. Babagay. It's cut for 3. Kapos. And to Pareño. Pareño intercepted. Pareño muli. against Ilaw. Oronce. Nakuha ni Salud ang bola. Binato. Nadera. Elegante na mabasa. Nadera. Escat. No good. Stripped away. And Bacchiano. Good ball. Bacchiano. Kapos. Babagay. Driving strong. Escat. Salud. Thinking 3. Kapos. Tunakaw. And now to Bacchiano. 2 points. 2 points called on Bacchiano. 28-14 ang score po natin yon. Laman po na 11 ang Team Airport United. Babagay. Ayaw. Melvin. Pops up. Kapos. And rebound battle to won by Bacchiano. Julius Babagay. Nope. It's Tunakaw against Julius. To Oronce again. No good. A minute and 14 remaining. Rekelman in. Oronce out. Salud in. Salud out. Eric in. Escat. Dictating the traffic. Escat. Babagay to Escat. Shoot zigzagging. Ilaw. Who's foul? Foul number 3, Egok. Third personal foul na ni Egok. Escat against Pareño. Ayun, kumat. Si Ilaw, foul again, called. Foul number 23, Blanc foul kay Tunakaw. Wala pang penalty. Escat inbounding. 4 team fouls. 4 team. Good ball. Good ball pa rin. Good ball. Walang tawag. Wala. Ilaw. 2 points Ilaw. Nag-scapple. Babagay. Again, sitting drive. Timeout. 20-53. 28-53 po ang score po nila ngayon. Okay, 21 seconds remaining for third quarter action. 28-53 po ang score po natin ngayon. Lamang ng magdante ng 5 yata. 28, 38, 48. Escat. Eric, no good. Foul, Escat. Offensive foul. Nanulak. A 25-point lead advantage. Wala. Rebound and 1. Teka lang po. Not counted. Okay, the score is 28-53. A 25-point lead advantage ng Team Airport United over Contact Center. The winner of this game will face Cass sa semis. 1 versus 4. Ay, mali pala. 1 versus ano. Tama. Number 1 is Cass. Pag nanalo po ang Airport United dito, number 4 sila. Kukunin nila pabalik yun. Okay, SG. Eric Grama. Shoutout to sa'yo. Sige, sumagot ka. Saan? Sa misis mo?
Sa mga namumusoy.
Ayos. 25-point lead advantage now by Airport United, and they're looking now to enter now the semis against Cass. We're now looking out for Cass. Uy! Intercepted. Intercepted by Pilao. Pilao against Scott. Nakuha. Ed Pilao for 3. Bang bang. 3 points Pilao. Ayan na. Umiinit na si Pilao. Umiinit si Pilao. 31-53 score. And to SG. SG to Scott. Scott against Egok. Nako ng pick. Scott nagmamadali. Ayun kay Ilaw. 2 points Ilaw. Baredo. Ansus. Pilao for 3 again. Nope. Scott, ano muna? Easy muna tayo. Sabi niya, easy daw. Easy. Scott, driving. Coaster, malakas. Baredo, Egok, nakoy bola. Egok to Pilao again, Pilao driving strong, pops up, 2 points si Pilao. The coach now is asking now to make a man-to-man against Scott. To shut him down. It is over. Okay, number 20. Egok. Labas muna si Egok. 40 minutes si Egok. Okay, bumanlang. Meron sa instruction. Nako ni Melvin bola. Melvin. Eric Grama for 3. No good. Wala na. Red ball. Baredo driving. Walang pinasahan si Baredo. Okay, Ansus. Labas muna si Ansus. Para kay Pareño. 7 minutes 47 remaining. 33-55. At 22 points lead. Being advantage now ng Team Airport United. Kumuha ng pick. Ayun ako ng pick nga. Scott, tinatawag na nga. Foster, wala. And nako ni Scott. Take 2. Scott, take 2. Scott shooting for 2. 7 minutes 26 remaining. First shot. It's in. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second shot. Pops up. It's in. Pilao. Against Nadera. Lost the ball. Nadera. Same ball. Pagod yata si Pilo, baka galing trabaho yata. Okay, shoutout dito. Ano naman din pinapashoutout sa akin? Shoutout kay Julius Babagay, kape pa. Sabi ni J. Fox, Carmona. Oy, Carmona, nasa nga ba? Pareño. 6 minutes 39 remaining. Parenyo, driving strong ang ilaw. And now kay Mr. Bacchiano to Roy. Roy, power move. Sayang. Malakas. Roy, number 7, shooting for 2. Roy, no good. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Grabe din yung babagi. Sabi ni J-Pox, kape pa daw. It's out. Rebound, battle won by Foster. Nakakuha ni si Katambola. Melvin for 2. Bang! Sa wakas. Melvin now nakapasok na rin. Foul! Nadera. Okay, substitution muna ngayon. Okay, timeout called by Team Contact Center. Dito pinapak yung AC.
Alam ko oras na yung bilang. Hindi ka pinapawisan itong mga player natin.
Siguro ito patay na rito. Ikabel, hindi pa patay.
Ito ka ba ng ano? Ito ka ba sa isisento ka?
Nandun. Hindi, nag-live ako po, malayo. Tsaka...
Lahat ng game doon? Lahat ng game mo yung finals?
Yung finals lang, yung huling third quarter
alam ko
onwards.
kasi ano, yung wala ko, yung ano, yung laban ng Oman sa ano, hindi.
Ay, wala ako dito ako.
Dito ko.
Okay, balik muli po tayo. 5 minutes remaining. 5 minutes remaining now. Belarus now for the inbound. To Pilau. Pilau. Okay, driving now si Pilau. Baredo. Pareño for 2. Nope. Rebound. Baredo. Bang! 2 points. Plus bonus free throw. Basket counts kay Baredo. Oh, may highlights ka na pare. Martin Evaristo, para mo kagad. Martin Evaristo. Oh. Baredo, second shot. It's out. And kay Mr. Barantes na swipe sa ilalim. Nice swipe by Pareño. Pareño drum. Baredo, 2 points Baredo. Baredo, 2 points. Melvin. Wala. Sayang. And now kay Pilau. Pilau driving strong. No good. Rebound by Barantes. Okay, kay Kalilong. Now kay Melvin again. Nope. Rebound again by Babagay. Ano klaseng tira yun? Bomba sa ere. Okay, Babagay. Double team na si Belarus muna. Requilman, binato kay Pareño. And 1 play made. Okay, 2 minutes 49 remaining. Okay, 40 minutes po para kay kanino. Sino pa palitan yan? Okay, Babagay, 40 minutes. Binigay kay Babagay. Para kay Salud now. And also kay Mr. Egok. Labas muna para kay Roy. No, para kay Pilau. No good. Barantes sa rebound. Kalilong, 2 minutes 44 remaining. Salud. Melvin again. Nope. Salud. Para namitas lang ng bola sa ere. Salud. Nakapamapasahan. Barantes. Foul. 2 minutes 20 remaining. 39-61. 39-61. Ang sakit. Okay, substitution muna po tayo. Ansus para kay Pareño. Barantes shooting for 2. Grabe yung Julius Babagay. Magkapi ka pa daw lalo, sabi ni Carmona. I think that will be it now. 2 minutes 20 remaining. Little by little, it's already highly impossible already to get back again para sa contact center. We'll see. It's already, the stakes are already high now for them. And now, Torre Kilman. Baredo against Melvin. Egok, the baby tank is in. Okay na. And now, to Jong against Belarus. Jong. 2 points, Jong. Sabi rito, shoutout kay Boss Escat. Sabi ni Isa. Egok, no good. Barantes, naka-steal nga. And now, minute and 43 remaining. Barantes, no good. Jong to Melvin. Nope. Melvin again. 2 points, Melvin. Foul. Timeout called by Airport United. A minute and 13 remaining. The score is 41-66. A 25-point lead advantage by Team Airport United. Airport United going strong now to the semis. Booking a match between CAS against CAS in the semis. Okay, now Egok inbound. Okay, Munoz Munoz pinasok na kay Jong. Egok, final 1 minute and 12 remaining. Baredo, no good. And Barantes, nope. Bacchiano. Melvin didn't have the letter. 51 seconds remaining before we close now our quarterfinals matchup and completing the cast now for the semis. Looking now to book now the final semi seat now. Munoz, sayang. Okay, bumanlang. Nope. And same ball. Blue ball. Sabi ng referee, blue ball. Melvin. Munoz for 3. Tapos. 22 seconds remaining. Okay, that's it already. And now, bumanlang 2 points. Okay, that will be it. Eric for 3. Bang! Final shot now of the game. And welcome to the semis, Team Airport United. Airport United now booked now the final semi seat and making a matchup now with, of course, CAS. Interview, then also post-game po tayo. Nice game, bro. Nice game, bro.
Thank you.
Ano, thank you. Picture kayo. Ano ba, picture?
Interview mo siya natira.
Hindi, interview si Munoz. Siya may ari ng team eh. Munoz, sumanda ka, interview kita. Hindi, siya yung stakeholder ng Airport United. I-balance po, sir. Paki-balance po, please. Ano ito? Ano ito? Biggest player kayo? Pero, video to, ito yan. Yan ang official photo. Okay. Again, Airport United winning the game and booking the fight against CAS sa semifinals.
And 1, 2. Alright.
Okay. POG po, sir.
Drama, sabi na kami siya.
Sino?
Oh, number 9 daw, number 9.
Number 9. Okay, number 9, salud.
Si Grama. Referee ako sa ito, table of the dito.
Okay, salud. Okay, salud pala po ang best player of the game. Munoz, sali ka rito. Itibig kita. Ikaw stakeholder is ng Airport United. Munoz. Post-game interview pare, mamaya. Post-game interview. Ikaw may-ari ng Airport United.
Sir, pa-interview na sir.
Okay, salud. Dito ka. Okay, salud po. Dito sa sa background po team mo. Okay, salud. Congratulations and welcome to the semi, sir. Ano ba masasabi natin, sir? And also, how do you feel now? You gonna book a fight against CAS na naman sa semis.
Salamat sa
Munoz.
salamat sa game namin.
Munoz.
Nagbunga naman yung preparation namin.
Okay.
At ito, paghahandaan namin yung semifinal
Okay.
against CAS. Yung
Sige po. And also, sige po. Okay.
at gagawin namin lahat para
Okay, guys. You're looking out if you want to, kaya magti-tripit kayo. Transfer kayo ito pag oras na ano. Okay, Munoz, yung kanyang team honors na anyone po, sir.
Challenge lang sa amin pagka kulang ang player.
Okay.
Yan lang, medyo kompleto kami ngayon. Marami. Pagka kulang kami, hirap na hirap ang mga...
Oh, sigurado talaga. Like yung nakaraan linggo talaga doon, na ano pa yung si yung sa malaking yung player na
So,
hopefully
next game, marami tayong
And any thoughts po, you will lalabanan yung number 1 ngayon na walang talo pa hanggang
Yeah, big
yung
challenge
CAS,
sa amin.
medyo big challenge ngayon yun.
Sila yung dati namin kalaban last
Sa
2 season.
2 seasons.
So, sana makalusot ulit.
Okay, then after this possibly, kung makalusot kayo, posibleng mananalo naman sa sa extreme bowler at sa in-fights naman.
Inshallah.
Okay, with it po, okay po. So, okay, sa Munoz, 1 minute shoutout po sir, sige po.
Shoutout sa family ko
Okay.
dito sa Doha tsaka sa Pilipinas, sa Santa Rita, Pampanga.
Okay, Pampanga.
Hello sa inyo
Kay
lahat.
Pineda pala to.
Ah,
Arroyo.
sa mga Muñoz kaya nandyan,
Okay. And also,
shoutout sa inyo. Tsaka sa Amerika.
Amerika din. O sige, pwede yan, yung pangpangalense, sir. Sige, magalo kayo.
Thank you very much.
Sige,
Tsaka-
sabi nga, buti sa pangpangalense, sir. Sa Pampanga. Panggalutok. Panggalutok eh. No. Yung
Ayaw
mechanical.
pa kaya kayungan kaya.
Yan, okay, sige po, yan.
Thank you very much.
Okay, yan po, Airport United booking na the final semi seat. Facing against CAS. Next week po yan.
Sweep it.
Okay.
Mas Martin, pwede ba shoutout?
Oh, ilaw. Oh, sige, bago tayo matapos.
Pa-shoutout po, Spartans, Facebook, like and share.
Okay, Spartans, Facebook, like and share. And ano pa? Wala na? Okay, with it po. Ito po ang nanalo ngayon. Booking na the final seat now. Final seat para sa semi-final seat po natin. Team Airport United. Maraming salamat po and good luck po sa semi-finals.